Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Starting off with our Synoptic Analysis, the main feature of the day is a trough that's busy deepening into the central interior of the country. So although things are quite settled at the moment, as the day progresses and this low pressure starts to deepen, moisture starts to get pulled into the southern interior of South Africa, where we expect it to be quite a cold and wet day, and in particular for the Eastern Cape by this evening, lots of rain in the forecast. Similar conditions over southern KZN. To the east of this trough, we expect thunder showers to develop on the high veld and even into the low veld later on. Here's a quick check of your rainfall probability map, and we see those thunder showers over the eastern parts of the country. Those will be scattered for some areas over Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Wet weather developing all across the southern parts that pushes far inland over the western and eastern Cape. There's also a chance for a few drops around the peninsula, and although there's a very good chance for rain along the south coast, it'll be mostly light. A few drops are also possible for some areas in the west, bit of moisture pushing in over that area. Alexander Bay, the chances are quite low for your region, but we can't rule it out. The northern parts are going to be quite a bit warmer for this afternoon. Pretoria gets to 29, while Tabazimbi gets over 30 degrees for this afternoon. Thunder showers likely all across the region. There'll also be thunderstorms over a much warmer Free State for today. Bethlehem, you get to 24, and it will be a hot afternoon for some areas in KwaZulu-Natal. Cold, on the other hand, along the Eastern Cape coastline, along with moderate to fresh winds coming in from the southwest. And there's been a big drop in temperature all across the southern parts overnight. Beaufort West, you get to a maximum of only 16 degrees today, along with some light rain in your area. Rain also expected for the south coast. Southerly winds over this area, pushing in the cooler air as well as the moisture that's needed for that rain. And for the northern Cape, we see quite a difference in temperature between the western parts, where it's going to be cold, and in the east, where Kimberley reaches a high of 31. Towards the Atlantic coastline, it's going to become windy this afternoon. Fresh to strong winds developing. Those will be coming in from the south. Cape Town, you could also have some light rain, and there is a swell that's picked up coming in from the southwest with a height of about 3.5 meters. Monday brings even more wet weather to South Africa as the cut-off low starts to take shape. That brings very wet conditions to the Eastern Cape, where Graaff-Reinet reaches a high of only 11.